This humanoid robot ran 100 meters in 9.39 seconds. That is faster than Usain Bolt's human world record. Another robot cleared 2.88 meters in a standing high jump. Those are the opening day claims from China's World Humanoid Robot Games. The comparisons are not perfectly equal. Robot bodies and event rules are different from human athletics. But the bigger story is not machines beating people. China has turned humanoid robotics into a spectator sport because the real competition is to build a machine that can survive the human world. This is only the second edition of the games, and the scale has exploded. Beijing registered 2,056 robots from 666 teams across 16 countries. Yet 641 of those teams are Chinese, representing companies, universities, and research institutes. The program grew from 26 events last year to 51 this year, with 1,301 competition sessions. Robots sprint, fight, dance, play football, lift weights, and pull against each other. That makes excellent television. It also forces hundreds of engineering teams to solve similar physical problems on the same schedule in front of judges, competitors, cameras, and potential customers. The most important change is hidden in the rules. Except for the 100-meter and 400-meter hurdle races, every track and competitive event must now be completed fully autonomously. No human pilot can rescue a bad decision. The time limits are tighter too. Robots once had 3 minutes to finish the 100 meters. Now they have 1. The 1,500-meter limit fell from 40 minutes to 15. A sprint pressures balance, motors, joints, power delivery, and real-time control. Football adds perception, planning, contact, and recovery around other moving machines. Martial arts tests whether a robot can remain stable when the disturbance is another robot. These are narrow tests, but they expose weaknesses that a rehearsed stage performance can hide. Then there are 21 scenario-based events. Instead of chasing records, robots assemble components, move materials, respond to emergencies, serve hotel guests, sort objects, pick up beans, and tighten screws. Those tasks point toward the actual commercial promise of a humanoid. One machine that can enter spaces, use tools, and follow workflows already designed for people. But a competition is still a controlled environment. A winning run does not reveal whether the robot can repeat the task for an entire shift, recover from an unfamiliar object, avoid injuring a coworker, or perform cheaply enough to replace existing automation. The medal measures a best performance. A workplace measures reliability. China's policy makes that distinction clear. In 2023, the government called humanoid robots a potential successor to computers, smartphones, and electric vehicles. It targeted batch production by 2025 and world advanced industrial capability by 2027. Beijing's own plan calls for more than 100 key technical breakthroughs, at least 50 mass-produced products, and 100 scaled applications by 2027. Then, in June 2026, China's industry ministry launched a nationwide real-world training program. The goal is to put embodied AI into factories, warehouses, stores, medical facilities, and emergency response sites. The document asks for high-quality data from real machines, better tolerance of disturbances, longer continuous operation, and formal measurements of success rate, safety, efficiency, and economic viability. The games are not that whole program, but they fit the same development system. Define tasks, compare machines, expose failures, collect attention, and iterate quickly. The spectacle recruits engineers and customers. The rules create benchmarks. The crashes create a public list of what still breaks. That is why the viral video of a robot sprinting into a wall matters. It is funny. It is also a perfect demonstration of the gap between moving fast and understanding what comes next. China's robot games show genuine progress in balance, speed, coordination, and autonomy. They do not prove that general-purpose robot workers have arrived. The machines worth watching are not simply the ones that win a race. They are the ones that can repeat a job-like task autonomously, recover when the world changes, and return next year needing less human help. The medals are the show. That is the bigger test.